1. The importance of galvanizing steel in construction. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of galvanizing steel in construction. The process involves coating steel with a layer of zinc to provide a barrier against environmental factors that lead to corrosion. This is crucial in construction as it grants the material a longer lifespan and enhanced durability, ensuring structures stand strong for years to come. 2. Comprehensive guide to the galvanizing process. Next, we delve into the process of galvanizing. It requires precision and expertise. In a nutshell, the steel is cleaned, dipped into a bath of molten zinc, and then cooled. This results in a strong, anti-corrosive surface that is integral to its widespread applications. 3. Exploring the advantages of using galvanized steel. Galvanized steel comes with a wealth of advantages. It is incredibly durable and resistant to damage from physical impact. It also offers significant cost savings over time due to reduced maintenance requirements and long-lasting performance. 4. In-depth look at the durability and lifespan of galvanized steel. Speaking of durability, the lifespan of galvanized steel is remarkable. Due to its resistance to corrosion, it can last for decades, even in harsh environmental conditions. This reliability is what makes it a popular choice across industries. 5. Environmental impact. Is galvanized steel eco-friendly? Given the growing focus on sustainability, it's important to discuss the environmental impact of galvanized steel. Despite the energy-intensive process, the long lifespan and recyclability of galvanized steel make it a more eco-friendly option in the long run. 6. Market trends. The growing demand for galvanized steel in different industries. We're seeing a growing demand for galvanized steel across different industries, from construction and automotive to electronics and manufacturing. This trend is driven by the material's superior protective qualities, longevity, and cost-effectiveness. 7. Cost analysis. The economic benefits of using galvanized steel. In terms of economics, galvanized steel presents significant savings. Its long life and reduced maintenance make it a cost-effective choice for industries. It's an upfront investment that pays off in the long run. 8. The relationship between galvanizing steel and corrosion resistance. Lastly, we must mention the critical relationship between galvanizing steel and corrosion resistance. The zinc coating acts as a physical barrier, protecting the steel from water and oxygen, which are the primary causes of rust and corrosion. And that, dear viewer, is our deep dive into the fascinating world of galvanized steel. I hope you found this information insightful and helpful. Remember, understanding these processes and trends can be key to making informed decisions in your respective fields. If you enjoyed this video and want to gain more insights on different topics, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's keep learning together. Until next time, this is Tamiz Harasu, your business coach, signing off.